Looking for label tape that actually lasts? Brother Genuine P-Touch M231 Direct Thermal Non-Laminated Tape offers asterisk durability you can count on. It resists water damage and won't smear or smudge, so your labels stay clear and readable no matter what. Whether you're organizing your home office or labeling storage boxes, this tape keeps your system neat and reliable. What makes this tape stand out is how easy it is to use. Thanks to its split-back design, peeling and applying labels is a breeze. You can stick it on cabinets, folders, shelving, and more without any hassle. No fumbling, no mess, just smooth application every time. This convenience matters when you're tackling big organization projects or just need quick labeling around the house. I've personally switched to Brother's Genuine P-Touch tape after trying cheaper alternatives. The difference is clear. Knockoffs might save you a few bucks up front, but they don't stick well and tend to fade fast. With Brother's M231 tape, labels last for months without peeling or losing their print. It's a small investment that saves time and frustration down the line. This label tape is designed specifically for indoor or light use, making it perfect for personal and home projects. It's compatible with a wide range of Brother label makers, including PT45M, PT55BM, PT65, PT70, PT80, PT90, and PTM95 models. So, no matter which device you have, you can rely on M231 tape to deliver crisp, durable labels every time. If you're someone who loves to keep everything clearly labeled and organized, this tape is worth a look. It's a better value online, lasts longer, and keeps your labels sharp. From office files to kitchen cabinets, it helps maintain order without fading or smudging. Plus, you avoid the disappointment of labels that peel off or disappear after a few weeks. Ready to upgrade your labeling game? Choose Brother Genuine P-Touch M231 tape for a durable, water-resistant solution that's easy to apply and built to last. If that's you, someone who values clear, lasting organization, this tape is a smart choice. Try it when you're ready and see the difference genuine quality makes.